Meaning of gruel.
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 Gruel. Gruel is a thin and watery porridge-like substance typically made by boiling grains, such as oats or rice, in water or milk. It is often associated with poverty or hardship due to its simplicity and lack of flavor. Gruel has been a popular dish throughout history, with variations appearing in many cultures worldwide. The nutritional value of gruel varies depending on the type of grain used, but it is generally considered to be a good source of carbohydrates. Despite its humble origins, gruel remains a comforting and nostalgic food for many people.